Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Scholarship Analyst. If you are watching this video, it means you have either won the Opendoor Scholarship as a winner or prize winner. Congratulations. Please follow me and like my videos. Today I'll be explaining how to submit your required documents and the things you need to do for the Open Doors winners and runner-up. For example, this is an application portal that has been opened for submission of translation documents for master's degree. So um, this is for a master's program. Um, Choose language of education. Most of us want to, or most of you guys want to study in English. So let's choose English. Now you need to choose your education. Remember, you're meant to choose the education that's in line with the portfolio that you won. So this platform or this profile won a scholarship in economics. So economics and econometrics. Now, once you choose the um your desired program or your desired educational program, you have a drop down or a list of universities. These universities have been tailored to the programs you have. For example, you have HSC, MGIMO, People's Friendly University, Peter the Great, and Southern Federal University. So if I'm to choose innovation, I might not have the same university. So I only have St. Petersburg Electronical University offering innovation. If I'm to choose electronics and nanoelectronics, you have specific universities for each program. So they've done that. So you don't need to start looking for universities. So let's go back to the first economics. Now, my advice here is you need to choose based on order of priority. So the first thing you need to do is go to the schools you have here, look at the program they are offering. Some of these schools are offering economics quite all right, but they do not have economics they do not teach economics with English. They use Russian language. So the best thing to do is to come to this page where you log in, then you check universities. Then from here, you can check each university and their program. Let me go to HSC. Each university and their programs and the language they have. If I come over here, uh, which other universities that I have MGMO, yeah. So this is not loading. So if I come to MGMO, I will see postgraduate master's degree programs. Okay. So for economics, if you notice what they have here, it's in Russia, it's in Russian. So if you choose this particular university as your first choice, you might end up um what's it called? Learning in Russia. So you need to check each university and check the program they are offering. If you go to HSC, you have they have different campus. They have different campus for HSC. Um, um, this is dormitory. I know there's a yeah here master's program. So you can check their master's program. They have economics. See, it's being taught. If you go to bachelor's, you see economics is being taught in English. Economics and econometrics is being taught in English, but other courses are in what? In Russia. So you just need to be careful when choosing um the what's it called? The schools, and remember to put them in order of priority. So let's say I'm choosing HSC number one, then um Peter the Great, Number two, and let's say I'm proceeding to People's Friendly University. So you have the opportunity to choose six, but let's say we are choosing three here. Then you proceed to your understanding of Russian language. I do not speak Russian language, so I don't know anything about it. So the next, um, if you want to do your preparatory here, you need to specify here 1 year preparatory year. So let's say yes, because you're most of them, it's not everybody in Russia that speaks English. So you might need to communicate with people in their normal local language, not in class though. So then you have another section here where you can answer multiple questions. You can pick different options. Would you be interested in taking additional Russian language? Okay, yes. Let's say I'm interested. Um, so I think that's all, and you can save. So once you save your application, you'll be brought to this page. So the first thing you need to do is to download these forms. You have these forms that you need to download. You download these forms and you're going to print them and fill them manually using your bio. You get. So after that, you have your consent form, which you have to upload here. You have a scanned copy of your signed application form. I'm going to show you examples probably before the end of this video. Then you have to upload it here. Make sure you save your documents well. You get, make sure you save your documents well. Then you have notarized translation of your passport page, data page. You need to translate it and notarize it. Then you have certificate of education. That means your certificate, your degree certificate, be it your master's degree certificate or your bachelor's degree certificate. You need to upload it here, the original one. Then you go ahead and translate the certificate, then notarize it. You put it here. You get it. Then you have medical certificate, the original one, you upload it here. Then the notarized certificate, you also upload it here. I think you can see then you have a scan of copy of documents confirming absence of disease caused by HIV. You put it here, then you put it here. So if, for example, if your medical certificate, a simple way to do this is if the test you are doing covers is from one hospital and it covers all these tests for HIV, for yes, for hepatitis B and C, then tuberculosis. You get, if it is on a single document, just upload the documents here. You get what I'm saying? If your test is printed on one A4 paper or one page, just upload the same thing here and the same thing for your medical certificates for the HIV. You get what I'm saying? So you don't need separate documents for HIV, separate documents for tuberculosis, separate documents for medical physical tests. If everything is on one page, just upload it as it is. So remember, you need to translate, then notarize passport. Um, yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to do. You get pretty much everything you need to do. Just take your time. Once you get your document translated and notarized, then you can proceed. So let me show you examples of um this is when I won the scholarship 20 I can't even remember. So you see you have to print the document, then sign it and scan it. You get, I've redacted some of the information. Then you have another document here. Yes, this is the application form you get. You have the names, you put your name in Russia here. Then you have some other information here, which I'm sorry, I might not show that. But yeah, so this economics and econometrics, I School of Economics and Petersburg Polytechnic University, South Ural State University, People's Friendly University of Russia. We get then you come here, put English. You want to study in English, Open Doors, Russia, because you have different scholarship platforms here. So you put yours, others, Open Doors Russian Scholarship Project. Then you proceed and you sign and that's all. Then I think I have, yeah, this is an example of statement of result. Yeah, you see, signed by notary public, you see, sealed in case you need to show physical evidence. You need this. Well, it all depends. There are different seals for notary publics. So this is one. And the last thing here is medical certificate. Yeah. So this is an example of a medical certificate. You see, notarized one, example of medical certificates. All these tests are in one document. Since they're in one document, you can upload those documents for HIV section, for hepatitis B section, and for I think there's another one for um physical test. So take your time. You have enough time from now to February 9. Notarize all your documents, um, get to a notary public and notarize the documents and submit. Once you are done, you confirm and you save, and that's all you need to do. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to drop your comments. Remember to subscribe and like the video. Thank you once again. I'll be sharing other tips later.